Hey there, experiencing issues with your TP-Link router, not seeing that crucial power light flickering on? This week we're diving into how to fix TP-Link router no power light, ensuring you can get your internet connection back up and running smoothly. Dealing with router problems can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a step-by-step guide to help you resolve these issues and restore your connectivity. Step 1. Check the power source. First things first, let's start by examining the power source. Unplug the router from the electrical outlet and inspect the power adapter. Look for any visible signs of damage, like frayed wires or a bent plug, which might prevent the device from receiving power. Also, try connecting the adapter to a different power outlet to rule out any issues with the original outlet. If it's available, try another compatible power adapter to see if that resolves the problem. Step 2. Inspect the power cable and connector. Next, it's time to examine the power cable and connector. Gently unplug the power cable from the router and check for any loose connections or bent pins. Ensure everything is tightly connected and aligned properly. Dust or debris might have accumulated inside the power port, so a quick blow of pressurized air can help clean it. Ensuring a snug fit guarantees a steady power supply to your router. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. If you've confirmed that power is reaching the router but the power light still doesn't turn on, try performing a power cycle. Unplug the power cable and let the router sit idle for at least 10 seconds. Then plug it back in to see if it brings the router back to life. This simple reset can often resolve minor glitches and effectively reboot your system. Step 4. Examine internal components. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to take a closer look at your router's internal components. It's best to proceed with caution and, if you're comfortable, carefully open the router casing to ensure all internal connections are secure. Look for any visible signs of physical damage, such as burnt components or loose wiring. If you're not confident in handling electronic components, this might be the time to call in professional assistance. Step 5. Contact TP-Link support. If your troubleshooting efforts haven't succeeded, it's time to contact TP-Link support. Reach out to them via their official website or help desk for further assistance. Make sure you have your router's model number and any specific details regarding the issue handy for a smoother assistance process. In some cases, they might advise you to send the unit in for repair or replacement if it's under warranty. Step 6. Consider a replacement router. If your router is not under warranty or an irreparable fault is detected, it might be time to consider investing in a replacement. Choose a model that meets your internet usage needs, enhancing connectivity and speed for better performance. Upgrading can ensure a more robust and reliable network experience, minimizing disruption. From checking your power source to contacting TP-Link support, these steps guide you on how to fix TP-Link router no power light issues effectively. While dealing with a stubborn router can be rough, this guide makes navigating through the process more straightforward. Remember, ensuring secure connections and minimal disruptions can make all the difference to your online experience. With these actionable steps, you're now better equipped to tackle power issues with your router and maintain a seamless internet connection.